Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 summer hacks to beat the heat this summer. Now I hate the summers because here in India it just gets so hot and I don't feel like leaving the house during the daytime. I feel thirsty and dehydrated all the time and I cannot even sip on my favorite adrak wali chai, and basically nothing good happens during the summers, and my skin also becomes so dull, so dehydrated, and it looks tired all the time during the summers. But there are certain things that I've been doing this summer to beat the heat and to take care of my skin. I've been trying out some really fun summer hacks and they've been working so well for me. I cannot wait to share them with you all. So the first hack is to skip your adrak wali chai and try out this adrak iced tea instead. Sounds so much fun and it's so tasty at the same time.
Firstly, you want to add 1 cup of water to a vessel and then add some grated ginger to it to bring that adrak wala flavor, and then let the water come to a boil, and then you can add your tea leaves. Add very little amount of tea leaves, otherwise it's going to taste bitter. You can also add a spoon of sugar and let the water keep boiling for a bit so that the flavors combine. Turn off the flame, and this step is optional, but I'm just adding a few drops of lemon juice to bring that ginger lemon wala taste. I'm stirring everything well and then covering it with a lid. You can let it rest for a while until the mixture cools down and then transfer it into your glass. And to make it into an iced tea, you can add a few ice cubes and then let the ice cubes cool down the iced tea. And oh my god, this tastes so good. It gives me that adrak wala flavor while being cool at the same time.
The second hack is to make yourself a DIY summer face mist. It's super refreshing for the skin and it helps to revive tired, dull skin.
Firstly, I'm taking an empty spray bottle and adding some refrigerated aloe vera gel into it. Next up, I'm using some fresh homemade rose water. This again was refrigerated, and I'm adding some of it to the bottle. Closing the lid and shaking the bottle well so that both the ingredients combine together. And voila, your DIY cooling and soothing face mist is ready. You can spray this on your face or your body at any point of time, when you're in the sun or when you're at home, be it in the daytime or nighttime, like at any point of time. And it's going to help to revive your dull skin, refresh your skin, make you feel all awake and fresh, and hydrate your skin at the same time.
Now the third hack is about your skincare regime and you want to keep it as minimal as possible. Personally, I hate layering a lot of products on my skin because it makes my skin feel super heavy. Instead, I've been using the sleeping mask in my skincare regime for over 2 months now and it's been working so well for me. So this is Dr. Sheth's Healthy and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask and it's literally been a lifesaver for my skin this summer. This feels so hydrating and soothing when I apply it, and it kind of works overnight in repairing my skin and in pampering it, and the next morning I literally wake up with dewy, glowy skin. It's one of the best overnight products that I've ever used and it's got real healthy in there. Like, can you see those tiny yellow globules? Can you see those globules? That's real healthy globules. They help to add a beautiful glow onto the skin, and it's also got hyaluronic acid in there which helps to keep the skin hydrated. And all you need to do is take a generous amount of the sleeping mask, apply a medium layer evenly all over your face and leave it on overnight. This is like the last step in my skincare regime and I use it almost every other day, and you can too. Or you can save this for special occasions like your birthday, for a wedding function, for a festival, or for an important meeting, when you want your skin to really glow. So you can apply this one day prior to your event and wake up with plump, glowy skin. It literally gives your skin that extra care, that extra pampering that it needs every once in a while. And you can also use this during the daytime, but just make sure that you top it off with a sunscreen. I think what's great about this is that it's an all-in-one summer product, and in case if you want to purchase it, then I will leave all the shopping links in the description box below so you can check that out. I really enjoy using this product and this is like my second tube. I finished the first one in just 1 month of daily use. That's how much I loved it. It's an amazing product, and in case if you want to try this out, you can also save on some additional money by using my coupon code RIYACHA20 on Dr. Sheth's website. Moving on to the fourth hack, I make this very cool DIY face pack at home, which is perfect for this hot weather. You guys really need to try this out.
Firstly, in a bowl, I add some aloe vera gel. This is the soothing ingredient. Next up, I add a spoon of honey. This is going to help to calm down the inflammation and redness. And then I add some rose water. This is going to help to calm your skin and cool it down. I also add a few strands of saffron. This is going to help to provide that instant glow on your skin. And I stir everything well so that all the ingredients combine together. Next up, I'm using one of these compressed sheet masks that I got from Amazon. These are very handy and you can use them with your DIY serums or with your store-bought serums, whatever you prefer. So I'm just taking one of these compressed sheet masks and adding it to the serum that we just prepared. And you want to leave it for a bit, like for a couple of minutes, and it's going to soak all the serum and become all fluffy in size. After you're done with soaking the serum, just refrigerate it for at least half an hour or for a couple of hours. And once you're back home, you can take out the sheet mask, squeeze the excess serum out of it, and then apply it all over your face. And as you can see, this compressed sheet mask already has the eyes, nose and mouth cut, so it's very convenient to use. You can leave the sheet mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and it's going to help to calm and soothe your skin down, and your skin is going to absorb all the goodness of all the ingredients that we used and provide an instant hydration effect and an instant glow on your skin. And once you remove the sheet mask, all of that sunburn, all of that inflammation and redness will be healed completely, and you can squeeze out all the excess serum from the sheet mask and apply it all over your face. You can also massage it into your skin to get that extra goodness and for that extra glow. And as you can see, the serum and the sheet mask has made my skin so glowing, so dewy and so plump.
The best time to use it is after reaching home, like when you've been out in the hot sun and when you finally come back home. That's when you need to use it, and it's gonna make your skin all calmed and all soothed, and it's gonna give you that cooling sensation on your skin, and it's gonna make you feel all relaxed and refreshed. You can prepare a fresh batch before leaving the house, store it in the fridge, and when you come back you can pamper your skin with it. The fifth hack is not actually a hack, but it's the right way to apply your sunscreen so that it can give you maximum sun protection and at the same time not sweat in this hot weather. So whether you're indoors or whether you're outdoors, a sunscreen is a must during the daytime, and this is a habit that you need to form starting now, no matter what your age is, because in the long run it's only going to help to delay your skin's aging process by protecting your skin from the harmful UVA rays. At the same time, you also want to look out for UVB protection so that your skin doesn't burn when it's directly exposed to the hot sun. And also, since most of us have a lot of screen time while working on computers or laptops, or in my case filming and editing, or even while watching TV shows and scrolling on Instagram, it's important to protect your skin against the blue light that's emitted out of electronics, and that's why you need a sunscreen that gives you 360 protection from everything, and this one does it all. So this is Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C Sunscreen. Now this contains an SPF of 50 PA++, which is a good amount of UVA protection. It protects your skin from UVB rays and also from blue light that's emitted out of electronics. Also, it's an anti-pollution sunscreen, so it protects your skin from the pollution. It's got 1% of ceramide complex, which helps to build a protective layer on your skin, and that's what protects it from the environmental factors like pollution. It's got 2% of vitamin C complex, which helps to boost collagen production, which helps to add a beautiful glow on your skin. And it's got 1% of hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain moisture on your skin and hydrate your skin. It's got mineral and organic filters which protect your skin against the sun. So overall, an amazing quality sunscreen gives you 360 degrees protection from basically everything, and this is something that you need to have, especially during the summer season. Now the correct way to apply a sunscreen is to take a coin sized amount, dot it all over your face, and gently spread it all over and blend until it's completely blended. You want to wait for about 5 minutes for the sunscreen to settle down on the skin and then go in with a compact powder to set your skin and to mattify it. And this way your sunscreen will not sweat and it will give you optimum level of sun protection. So those were the 5 summer hacks that I used to beat the heat this summer, and they literally helped me to survive this hot weather. If you have to take away something from this video, then I highly recommend you try out the DIY summer mist. It's amazing. You can carry it anywhere and it instantly makes you feel all refreshed. And I also recommend you try out this Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. This is my absolute favorite summer skincare product. I've been using this for almost 2 months now, for almost the entire summer season now, and it's been working out so well for me. So I highly recommend you check this out. The links to purchase it is mentioned in the description box below. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see, and in case if you try out any of these hacks, do let me know how they work out for you. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.